This mixture is by far better than blue pills. Natural energy. Drink every man 40 plus must try. Forget those little blue pills. This right here is nature's version of pure male power. Today, I'll show you how to make a simple drink that boosts your energy, circulation, and stamina. Naturally. No side effects, no pressure, just clean, strong energy from real food. Get some kiwi and peel it. You see this little fruit? Don't underestimate it. Kiwi might look simple, but it's an absolute powerhouse for men's health. It's loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that fire up your blood flow, and better circulation means better performance, both in the gym and the bedroom. Grate it finely. We want this drink smooth and easy to digest. Fun fact, one kiwi has more vitamin C than an orange. That means just one fruit can cover your entire daily dose. And when your body has enough vitamin C, your testosterone and energy levels thank you for it. Quick question before we move on. Where are you watching from? I love seeing men from all around the world coming together to take control of their health. Drop your country in the comments. Let's see where the strongest men are watching from. Next ingredient, lemon. A small slice is all you need. Lemon is another natural energy booster that fights fatigue, detoxes your system, and supports healthy testosterone levels. It also keeps your body hydrated and alkaline, which helps you recover faster after workouts or long, stressful days. Pour the lemon juice into the kiwi mixture. That tangy kick? That's your immune system thanking you. Next ingredient, cinnamon grate. Cinnamon over the mixture. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Cinnamon. A small pinch of this spice improves circulation, balances blood sugar, and yes, it's a natural aphrodisiac. Men have used it for centuries to increase drive and warmth in the body. Just a little goes a long way, so don't overdo it. Next ingredients is coffee. We add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. To the mix, stir with warm water. Coffee isn't just about waking up. It's been proven to boost endurance, stamina, and physical performance. When you combine it with kiwi, lemon, and cinnamon, you get a natural energy cocktail that feels like a power surge without the crash. Give it a good stir until everything blends smoothly. And there you have it, your better than blue pills energy drink. Drink this 2 to 3 times a week, especially in the mornings or before a workout. It'll help strengthen your immune system, improve circulation, boost your testosterone, and keep you energized throughout the day. So before you reach for another energy drink or pill, try this first. Your body will thank you, your mind will stay sharp, and your energy will last naturally. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and share it with a friend who needs more energy. And hey, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel Testosterone Boost for Men 40 Plus for more natural ways to boost testosterone, stamina, and vitality. Because here, we don't just survive after 40, we thrive.